To start with, we have 3 of these carrots, and they are called carrot steak at the Dollar Tree. Definitely try and snag them up as soon as you see them, because if you wait too long, they won't be available. But basically they're for outdoors, but they kind of springy. I love how that works. So we're just going to take our wire cutters, but I wanted to keep it a little more of a point, and the only reason I left it on there, because if you look, this goes all the way through, it connects up here, but this spring part is connected to it as well, so you really need that center piece. Alright, so just gonna brush that stuff away. We're going to be using this frame. This is from the Dollar Tree. I love these. They have the little hook things, so you can hang it whichever way you want. We're going to do up and down, so I want to make sure that is at my top there. I just got to decide if I want my carrots to go up or kind of down like that. Because it's metal, we're going to bring in our E6000 and hot glue just to kind of help hold it. So it is E6000. It's a bigger thing, obviously. And what we're going to do, this is going to be kind of interesting. So I want to see which ones, see on the springs. Just putting the hot glue right next to the E6000 here. So that is perfect. That's not going anywhere for a moment. And then there we go. I love just the simplicity of the metal. I got this awesome orange check. It's from Hobby Lobby. And we are going to do, I think I'm going to do a 2-bow or 2-loop ribbon. So we're going to loop this around twice, like so, and squish it in the middle. So it's got 2 loops, 2 tails. Then we're just going to stick it up here at the top. I love that. That looks good. And to tie off the middle, I also have this. It's from Hobby Lobby. It's in the fall time. But it's orange jute. I've only seen it around Thanksgiving, Halloween, the fall is when that comes out. So definitely snag you up some of that. I love the orange. So, oh, I forgot to. Put it up here. And then, as cute as that is, I love how that looks. I got one last thing. How cute are these? They're erasers, and they're from the Dollar Tree, but they're little bunny erasers, but I was thinking that you could use them for little figures. You don't have to necessarily keep them as little erasers. How cute is that? That's adorable, right? I'm going to put mine right here in my project. All right, that is done. That is super cute. It's so easy. If I change my mind, we can go back and paint this, but I love the natural look of it. I love how that looks. We can do a little tag if you need to have tags on things. Some people do. I don't really care for tags on all my stuff or all my projects, but you could put like carrots for sale or carrots something or other. But this is my version of this with these little, I love how these look. Absolutely love that. Definitely let me know if you did something different with yours, how you did something different with yours. Keep on coming back for more projects at the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.